and windows at the first point of entry. PIR motion detectors sense human movement with precision, even in complete darkness. Curtain and wide-angle PIR sensors protect perimeters and large spaces with focused accuracy. Wireless keypads and remote controllers offer effortless control and instant response. Outdoor sirens act as a powerful deterrent, alerting both occupants and surroundings. Smoke and water detectors safeguard against fire and leakage, ensuring an end-to-end security. Every device works independently, yet seamlessly, creating a complete, layered security shield. With up to 5 years of battery life, 200+ meter wireless range, real-time monitoring with mobile app, and international standard certifications, this product is a protection guarantee that never fails. Because when systems never fail, reliability is never questioned, and security becomes synonymous with one name: Mayur Micro Techniques. Smart security systems